Hey everyone, this is Larry Delaney, your WEA president. A little over a week ago, our legislative session concluded, and it's not an exaggeration by any means to say that this year's legislative session was historic for both educators and for public education. It also needs to be noted that these gains that we won didn't happen by accident. They happened because we were united in our messaging and that you, our members, answered the call when we needed you. In just a moment, we're going to hear from some leaders from around the state who are going to share these gains that we've realized. But first, if you are not a member of WEPAC, please consider joining WEPAC. It is through the PAC that we can be united and stronger in our message in supporting both public education, educators, and our communities. So now, let's hear from some of our members about these historic wins.
Hello, I'm Jeannie White, WA Vice President. Together, we made huge strides this legislative session. We didn't just win for K-12, we won for higher ed too. We received a 5.5% COLA, the largest state increase in investment since McCleary. We made Juneteenth a school holiday, aligning with the already declared state holiday. Increases in nurses, social workers, psychologists, and counselors. Expanded free lunch, increased broadband access, and received over $346 million to stabilize school funding. Thank you so much, WA, for your hard work, and thank you for making a difference for our students.
Hi there, my name is Suzanne Sutherland. I'm the Faculty Union President at Clark College in Southwest Washington. I'm also a very proud member of WEA for a variety of reasons. Among them, we won big at this year's legislative sessions. Not only are K-12 and higher education educators receiving strong COLAs, but we're also seeing huge gains in student financial supports. For example, $150 million was allocated for low-interest student loans. We will also be seeing $34 million additional dollars for financial aid. What this means is more first-generation students, more students from historically underrepresented groups, and potentially less student loan debt in the future. In addition to these fiscal wins, we also won changes in faculty ethics rules allowing for more flexibility in research. What this means is easier access to grants and funding that can help ensure that our institutions of higher education remain competitive.
Hello, my name is Mary Lindsay, and I'm the president of WEA Retired. I have two good things to share with you about the past legislative session. Number one is Plan 1 retirees will receive a 3% COLA up to $110 a month for this year. Number two, retirees may now work up to 1,040 hours per year without any deduction to their pension. These gains were only possible because we stood together in WEA, WEA Retired, and WEPAC.
We all know that these gains did not just happen. It took all of us working together to be able to realize these historic wins for educators and public education. And the numbers speak for themselves. This year, we had 58 educators who testified in legislative committees in Olympia and helped to elevate the educator voice and experience with policymakers. We had 17,000 educators send emails highlighting WEA priorities, and 140 educators attended Lobby Day. And we're united in WEPAC. WEPAC is WEA's nonpartisan political action committee and allows us to elect legislators who are pro-education, pro-labor, and share our values. So, if you are not already a member of WEPAC, again, I ask you to please join today. You can go to wea.mobi/WEPAC and easily sign up right now. If you're already a PAC member, please consider increasing your monthly contribution or consider giving a one-time donation. It's through the PAC that our voice remains strong in Olympia. A strong voice in WEPAC equals a strong voice in Olympia. Thank you for all that you continue to do on behalf of our students, our educators, and our communities. Stay safe and be well.